I go to smell it and it just spills all over me. It's still good, y'all. It's still good. Keep pile. It can get messy. Like this is when I say charcoal, it's black and it just spilled on my little tablecloth. This got to go just for that. I'm gonna have to put this in the wash now. It's not a big deal because I can put it in the wash. Put the scrub on and scrub your lips. Scrub your lips. Scrub the lips. Oh. Day 23. We've got some body care declutter to finish, but also I have some lip care essentials I'm going to share with you all. Let's get ready for the day. We gotta take care of the rest of this. Just half of that stuff fell down. Although this is day 23, I'm trying to get caught up so that way I've made my decision. I'm not going to upload on Christmas. I want you guys to just spend time with your family, really, or whoever you consider your loved ones to be. Because I realize sometimes that maybe people don't have their family to spend it with, but whoever you consider family, spend that with them. I will post a playlist on Christmas Day for you all to enjoy. So where we left off, I had just finished up. So EOS is a great brand. This happens to be a lotion here that I got years ago. And wherever I stored it, it's so discolored on the outside of the packaging, yellow, but it originally was pink. And I forgot what scent it was. And it's coming out yellow, so it's already letting me know, okay, this is past its expiration date. Ugh. Now I'm trying. I don't want to get that on my hands. I'm just like, okay. And this is the prior packaging around 2014 when I bought this. Moonlight Path, one of my favorite scents. And they brought it back this winter, Bath and Body Works. There's about this much in it. So because of that, I'm keeping that. I mean, it's a waste. It's my favorite. One of them. Then we have here Panthera Blue Sina Bella Fragrance Mist. So this I got from City Trends. Distinctly reminds me of Love Spell by Victoria's Secret. You want some dupes from Victoria's Secret? You ain't got you don't have Victoria's Secret coin at the time? Head to City Trends if there's one in your area. They have a bunch of dupes. I used to love that scent, but it's just become way too acidic for me. Like sometimes you grow out of certain scents and you mature into wanting something else that's just a whole different style to represent how you want to step out. So I was just like, you know what? There's enough of this in here. It's nearly full. I've barely sprayed it. And also, the cap is missing. Come on. It's got to go. So I kept everything here in the pile where it has to go. But it's still good. Or if I've barely used it, gots to go pile. Then we have here the keep pile. Shea Moisture's Argan Oil and Raw Shea Softening Hand and Body Scrub. So this has the frankincense and myrrh. Those two specific fragrance notes, they have a rich biblical history. This was the scrub that I got into where it didn't make any sense to me why it was coming off so sticky, so clumped together, and leaving the thickest layer of oil on top. I really want to toss it, but there's so much of it left. So it goes in the keep pile, and I'm going to look for ways to be resourceful with it where I'm not putting on my body, because I don't want that thick layer of white film all over me because it was stored wrong and now it has clumped together. So that's something to watch out for if you love body scrubs. Just be careful and store them in a cool, dry place. There's a reason why they say that. Otherwise, it's going to clump together. From Dollar Tree. So to be on the safe side, it's got to go. Next here, we got a gem here from a couple years ago. And this is caramel and cream. So back on those gourmand scents, but it's definitely been a couple years since I've used this. I don't see a expiration date. There is a recycle logo on it, but yeah. I had my You're the One from Bath and Body Works. As you can see, I barely use this. So this is the get rid of it pile. Someone's gonna love this. It's not my cup of tea, but I love how it's a very fresh, modern-esque scent. But I love gourmands. I appreciate it for what it is, especially the strawberry nectar note that's in it, including the 24-hour moisture body cream. Someone's also going to love this as well. Yeah, those both go in the get rid of it pile. Got to go. I go to smell it and it just spills all over me. It's still good, y'all. It's still good. Keep pile. Now, Victoria, don't tell nobody. Secret. Anyone remember the dark peony scent? I got this well over 2 years ago, so I'm gonna have to toss this. Last, we have a spa charcoal foot mask. City Trends, I want to say, they have some really great body care products, rare, and they're usually brands that will cost you an arm and a leg otherwise. That's the treasure that you'll find in department stores. Now, the thing about this, I stopped using it just because it can get messy. Like, this is, when I say charcoal, it's black, and it just spilled on my little tablecloth. This got to go, just for that. I'm going to have to put this in the wash now. It's not a big deal, because I can put it in the wash. This will be gotten rid of. This will keep, with the exception of this scrub, because I got to figure out what to do with the clumpy scrub that leaves thick residue on the skin. You guys spoke and you guys wanted to know about the lip care essentials. Let's talk about that. So as much as I want to do day 24, 23, my little self is, it's been worn out, you know. And it's always good to implement self-care, which I've been doing throughout Vlogmas and will continue. It's a way of life for me. Now let's get these lips together. So let's get into our lip care essentials. That was fun. Many people don't think about a lip scrub, or maybe they're not aware that lip scrubs are a thing, but that's definitely an essential that you need for the softest, smoothest lips all year, not just winter when they're more prone to getting chapped and dry as the desert. I'm just saying. So we have here Milani Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. This smells so absolutely luxurious. I first picked this up last year. That is when I picked this up. Now this has a 12-month expiration date, and this is cruelty free, by the way. It says so on the bottle here. And I am at this level. I haven't even gotten into it really good as far as using the product up. So it'll be a while, because you don't want to over exfoliate. That's like with using body scrubs. You definitely want to implement the same thing with a lip scrub. Now the skin on your lips, that's a bit more delicate, and you definitely need to just only exfoliate as needed, only when necessary. I believe it has a taste to it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I found out by mistake. So my lips need a little bit of exfoliation, but they've been pretty good, because I've been really good about putting on balm gloss whenever I feel my lips are chapped, and I've been doing that maybe every other day or as often as I need to. but I haven't been consistent with it. Telling on myself, but I've not had an issue with it peeling and it being really bad. So I've maintained, but there's always room for improvement. So we're gonna put this here, and you just do this. You know, put the scrub on and scrub your lips. Scrub your lips. Scrub the lips. Put this up. So I do this for about 5 to 10 minutes. You don't want to go any longer than that because then you might irritate the skin on your lips. It's very sensitive, more so than the rest of your body. Make a little mess up, but we okay. We okay. See, I can taste a little bit of it, but you're not supposed to do that. So you have to do it in a way where you taste as less of the scrub as possible. That's letting you know real sugar is in it. Now I got on my face. Now another lip care essential. Now it's safe to lick the lips. So I can feel that they're soft. But after you exfoliate any part of your skin, including your lips, you want to put the moisture back in. That's where lip balm comes into play. So I have here Shea Moisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Shea Butter Vegan Lip Balm. So this has sunflower oil. So this is a little hard to get out of here, but it works wonders. That lip balm, baby. I hate I can't get much. You have to put a lot of arm power into this to get this out. Unless you're willing to run the package, you know, the bottle underneath water to kind of loosen it a bit. Hot water, that is. Another essential, and this is for the ladies. Gloss, or a buttery gloss. I've recently got into the NYX butter glosses. This is in the Ginger Snap. Perfect nude color. I've worn it in a couple times throughout the last couple of vlogs. Even before Vlogmas. Then we have a gloss. Now this is Wet n Wild, and sometimes I get this with the glitter, then sometimes I don't. This is in Cotton Candy. This is a clear, lightly tinted gloss. As long as you have yourself a good lip scrub and you use it as needed, and you have yourself a good lip balm to follow it up with right after you use the scrub to put the moisture back into your lips. Now for the men, you want to get something like chapstick, something relatively plain, because I know you a man's man. That tinted balm ain't finna rock nowhere on them. Hello, no. Get something relatively plain. Just a plain chapstick, and just run it over your lips twice. It do matter. It do matter for the men. It do matter. Okay, it do matter. So being that this is the close of Vlogmas for us, this concludes our brave Vlogmas and our brave journey that we've had. If any of these were your favorite, please let me know which one, and also let me know what you'd like to see more of that was rolled out for Vlogmas. Now in regards to Christmas, I celebrate the birth of the King of Kings, the one that is the Lords of Lords. I celebrate Jesus' birth. Sometimes I think about what it would be like to have been in those times exactly when he was born, and to see him grow up. And then I also think about where would we all be? Where would the earth be if he had not been born? Where would we be? And the Bible gives us a clear representation of that. Because of him, we have redemption. Because of him, we have salvation. Just a little tidbit I wanted to share with you guys. And believe it or not, he was brave during the years he was on earth as a earthly vessel, and still is. He is the epitome of courage. He absolutely is. Being that there will be no video on Christmas, and by the time you guys see this, it's uploaded like on Christmas, just a little bit after midnight, maybe 1 or 2-ish. You'll see it, but no further videos for the rest of this week. I've got to recharge and return back to my regular uploading schedule, my regular scheduled program. It has definitely been a challenging journey. Challenging but rewarding journey doing Vlogmas. And believe it or not, it's for the first time. I love each and every one of you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for voting on the polls. Because, I mean, it's been absolutely incredible. Really. We're smashing 2022. So, spend time with your families, or with those you consider to be family, and enjoy the celebration. Stay safe. Please take care of yourselves, and please implement some self-care, even if you don't do anything but a foot soak. Okay? From my heart to yours.